What's going on, guys? I'm here just gonna talk about TasksShare.com. So I'm here, normally you have to sign up, so I'm here to sign in. And so far today I have made $29 with 74 clicks. So in order to do that, in order to make money, generate money, you gotta copy and paste this link. And let's say you want to go on Facebook or Google, anything you would like. All you need to do is promote it, get people to start clicking, you start earning cash. And remember, guys, in order to cash it out onto your PayPal, or they'll give you guys different options. You've got to get to $100. Okay. So this is TasksShare. Every time you click a link, every time you send a link and someone clicks it, you earn cash. Okay. Could be upwards to $1 per visit. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take it.